Line is defined as the path of a moving point through space, and is the most basic principle of art. Through line, one can express many things by changing its quality and characteristics. When setting out to create, it is important to think about what mood or feeling you are trying to convey with the lines you use. Lines can be long, short, wide, thin, curvy, or straight, and each has its own uses. The kind of line you use determines how your artwork will be viewed. If your lines are thick, they convey a sense of heaviness, boldness, and urgency, while thin lines are delicate and convey a sense of elegance. Tapering the ends of your lines also affects how they are interpreted. A tapered line is more natural and less choppy, giving pieces a sense of flow, while lines that end abruptly help to add to the boldness of a work. Changing the direction of your lines will change the focal point of your work. Directional lines are a great tool for directing the viewer's eye to what you want them to focus on, as well as creating a sense of volume. By using horizontal lines, the viewer is given a sense of stability and a sense of side-to-side motion. Using vertical lines can divide the piece as well as draw the viewer to either the top or the bottom of a work while creating a sense of order and structure. Diagonal lines are a good way to create emphasis and a sense of clear direction, and depending on whether you read right to left or left to right, these lines will draw your eye in different ways. Zigzag lines are like the other directional lines, except they are more chaotic and can add a sense of urgency or instability to a piece. They directly contrast with straight lines as well as curved lines, which generally create a sense of calm and are more organic. Lastly, the quality of a line also has an effect on how work is perceived. Line can be smooth, chalky, rough, sketchy, as well as many other things. The quality that you choose for your lines plays a large part in determining the mood of your piece. If your lines are sketchy and rough, the work will be looser, more expressive perhaps than if you use smooth, careful laid out lines. Lines that are more purposeful and less organic create a sense of order and structure. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this look into the characteristics of line, a basic principle of design. A good activity for applying what is talked about in this video is to create a contour line drawing. See the description for links to examples, and feel free to send your creations our way at lexingtonartleague@gmail.com or tag us on social media. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to look out for next week's segment on color.